Nowhere in the world an accused has ever refused to appear in the court. This is being seen on television screen or being witnessed by everyone almost for last so many weeks that Imran refuses to appear in the court on different pretexts, security reasons or reasons of being a victim or so this is and then his appearance in the court is accepted while he's still sitting in the car, and he actually attacks the courts, or the courts are mobbed by his supporters. Whenever he appears in the court is intimidated. They come under pressure, they face threats, and when police is sent to his residence to arrest him and produce him in the court, the police is attacked with Molotov cocktail, firing, and at least 70 to 80 police officers, senior police officers including, who were injured trying to arrest him. There was a pitched battle outside his house.